full picture of the MG1 premium mid-size SUV was released. As the first premium mid-size SUV model based on the new Sigma architecture, the design adheres to the European sporty style and comes with two appearances, fashionable and sporty. The front face of fashionable trim has a three-dimensional sharp design. The grille adopts lightening parameterized design. The radial pattern concentrates the visual center of the entire front face of the MG badge. The tungsten steel electroplated material forms a distinct appearance like a sun. The contrast of light and dark highlights the three-dimensional effect of each flashing cell. MG1 has a tapering roofline which swoops downwards towards the rear. A dual tone color scheme seeks to highlight its exterior profile while a newly designed 3D grille adorns the front. There are 18-inch alloy wheels supporting the vehicle, and MG is likely to offer a plethora of customization options on the SUV. The passionate bubble orange exterior paint endows MG1 with unlimited imagination and power at the first glance, revealing a strong sense of action and strength. MG1, based on the brand's Sigma architecture, is a combination of functional elegance and cutting-edge digital technology. It is the debut of the brand's new architecture and design language, majorly fashionable and sporty. The brand's new architecture can compress the mechanical space of the automobile to the minimum and develop an interior space efficiency of up to 70%. Sigma is a fusion of machinery and intelligence, which transcends the difference between horsepower and the ability of the software. Based on the concept of new age intelligence, the Sigma architecture has expanded the limit of automotive platforms. Through the flexible combination of more than 100 kinds of modules, the architecture design can create a variety of body types such as hatch and notch, sports car, off-roader, SUV, etc. to meet the user's diversified needs. The matte and delicate wilderness green exterior color makes MG1 sporty trim full of tactile sensation, and combined with the exaggerated gunmetal grey family style MG grille, it looks like a camouflaged hunter ready to go in the jungle.